Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should just hold for a while the application and drag this application to another one. And as can you see here, we got the new folder on our home screen. By the same way, we can add here one more application. Just hold for a while and drag it to this folder, or also by tap to this add plus, we can see the selected added previously to folder applications, and also by just click once on the checkbox here on the left upper corner of the application, we can select more application. For example, we'll add here the 4 more application, then just click here to OK, and as can you see, we just successfully added to our folder more apps. Also, we can rename the folder. Just tap once on the name here and just, for example, here enter the apps. Just click here to done, and as can you see, we just successfully renamed our folder. Sure, we can move this folder here on the screen. Just hold for a while and drag it, for example, here, and we can move the folder between the screens, or also we can create the new screen with this folder. As can you see, that's really simple. And if you want, you can just go back to our previously home screen. And if you want to remove some applications from the folder, you just should hold for a while the app and drag it here to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on your home screen, or also if you want to just remove the application from the folder and from the home screen, don't worry, this app will only also stay in your apps menu, so we just can hold for a while, or just to click here to add and just click again on the checkboxes here and click here to OK. And as can you see, we stay here only with our 2 applications, and these apps, they're here on our second home screen, or also you can just do it by this way. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.